No one shall ever know where I am. Oh, jeez. Hello, everyone. This is your Monkey News. Now, it seems like searchers 2 and 3 have both died from news reporter. Now, I don't want people knowing that just happened. So, I'm just gonna hide the evidence and, they're both... Okay, looks like news reporter has already done that. Cleaned up all the blood stains. And yeah. So, nobody's gonna know that just happened. But... Oh, this is a public channel. Oh, hey, news reporter, you're back! Oh my gosh. Gosh, okay. So, here's what we're gonna do. We need to get you off that addiction of cannibalism, and then you can be... Great. Now my arm is missing. And yep. So I'm just gonna run. You can't take me alive. I'll take you dead. Okay. You're slow. Because you ate my right arm. I only have one now. I'll come after you. Have to go somewhere. Somewhere he'll never find me. Where'd he go? There he is. So, it seems like that news reporter is after me. And I'm not sure if... There you are! Oh no! So, this is your Monkey News signing off.